How to use TradingView multiple charts layout. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your TradingView. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, click on the square icon at the top right. Well, tons of different layers will be visible to you. You can use up to 8 layers, but all of these options are only available to the paid members. But there is one trick in order to use those layouts. You have to download and use the Vivaldi browser. This is one of the most famous browsers in the world right now. You have to open your TradingView in this browser. Well, the TradingView has been opened in this browser. Likewise, you have to open this TradingView in another 3 different tabs. Once you have opened in the 4 different tabs, click on this icon over here. You have to select the time for all of the tabs, set according to your needs. Once you have selected the time for all of the tabs, you have to select all of these 4 tabs and then do the right click on your mouse. You have to click on Tile 4 tab. And there you go, your 4 tabs has been combined to one, which means that you just use the multiple layout for free. Likewise, you can use any number of layout that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can use multiple layout chart on TradingView. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.